Are you back with us? Low battery or what? Okay. Use this tool here. I'm at 96 feet. Kind of makes noise, doesn't it? Sound like bearings are going out. Might want to check on one of those. She makes a little noise. Hear that? It's a little grindy. Let's take to get this dude off. I got a rebuild kit on the Pete. They gave me the wrong kit. I ended up having to change it on the side of the road. It got stuck on. Do not like the way that sounds. There's no slop in it. So you can get that off. Air hose off. Get it off of that.
Instagram land and Facebook land. This is it. And our future YouTube channel, this is it. This is the moment that it goes away. So when did you take the fan off?
Just now. Checking getting a Horton fan. I bet you them things aren't cheap.
So you only have the one Rode mic?
Yep. All right, that gives me enough room to get the dude off of there. So what I need, looks like 3/4. Oh boy, that's gonna take a little muscle. Yeah. Oh, maybe a little bit more than a little muscle. Let me see. go. There's one. There's two. Three. And this one.
Bulldog HD, what's that about?
It's the name of the shocks. HD is heavy duty, Bulldog heavy duty shocks.
Okay, when I heard HD, the first thing my mind went to was high definition.
Yeah, well, this is a truck. Not a stereo. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The GoPro is getting hot, and the batteries are swelling up in there. And then when there's a little plastic tab that you pull on, they've been pulling right off. So yesterday, the original GoPro battery got stuck in there, and I had to dig it out. By the time I dug it out, it was garbage. Now I have a pack of 3 over here in the charger. 2 of them overheated. Tabs came off, I had to dig them out. This is the 3rd battery. This one here, I put grease on both sides in case she swells up again. Hopefully she doesn't. So I got her pinned, and now I'm gonna try to get this here fuel pump off. These really need to be charging. See if I got a USB on this thing here. Go in there and get my the red battery jumper. It's got a USB on it.
The no-cool boost thing?
No, the red one. Get the red one. It should be charged up. All right, looks like we got one on a 16 point. Bolts. I do not see any of those 16s. So I'll have to get them off with a wrench. Maybe if I have a wrench, it's got 16. Look like it's probably 7/16, which I didn't see. Yeah, there's 3/8. I was wrong. see.
Also,
Shit.
that's orange, not red. Are you colorblind?
Probably. I thought it was charged up. No, it's dead. You can bring the Noco out here. That thing's dead. It needs to be plugged in and charged up. Don't do anybody any good if it's dead. I don't know the procedure on this. Somebody said it has to be timed somewhere along the line. Okay. Fuel pumps out. I don't see timing marks. There's not a Mark 1 on there, so I don't think that has to be timed. We're gonna have to jack this motor up because let me show you. In order to get this timing cover off and that plate, this motor mount bracket is gonna have to come off. So I'm gonna get those 2 bolts out, jack the motor, and get those 6 out and remove that, and then we can start working on getting that cover off.